Hello, everyone, and welcome to the episode 15 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms, and today we are going to take a quick look at the Calendly field that is offered inside MakeForms. So, what does the Calendly field exactly do? So, you can be running a business and you kind of want to put in a quote form wherein person fills the details, and then once they have filled up these details, they are taken to the Calendly to kind of select the booking time. So this is useful for such scenarios wherein or else you have options wherein you say book a demo, and then first before booking the demo you want to capture the user details. So it's very useful in those scenarios wherein you don't know whether the user will pick up the time slot or not, but you still want their data. So first you will have the form, and then once the form submission is done, then you will go ahead and have the Calendly appointment book. So let's quickly jump into the action and see how you can and create such forms. So I'll create a standard form for now. Okay. We have this. Let's delete, or else let's not delete it, and let's say book a demo. Okay. Now what I will do is I will quickly add name, email, and phone number. Then we can see that there is this field called Calendly. So I will quickly add this. And now you can see that as soon as I've added the Calendly field, we have the basic setting at the right hand side that says authenticate. So what this does is that it connects your MakeForms account to your Calendly account. So when you click this, there will be a pop-up opening up with the integrations tab, and there you will see another authenticate with Calendly option. So you will click this and you will be authenticating MakeForms to go into your Calendly account and connect it. So now you can see that the connection is established. A good way to know if your Calendly account is connected with your MakeForms account is to click this and see if your Calendly events have been pulled or not. So here we can see that I have two options. One is the MakeForms demo and the second one is the MakeForms migration assistant. So these are the two events in my Calendly. Now we can see that if you quickly go in your design tab. Okay, so the Calendly preview does not come in the design tab. So we'll quickly publish this, but before that we'll have to select a event. So I will select make forms demo event. Now we'll publish this form, and let's open it. So here we can see that in this particular form, we have the Calendly embedded by default over here. So you can see that the calendar is already there. So now, but this is not the kind of interface that we want. What we want to do is that first the user will fill up the form and then they will go ahead and have the Calendly pop up. So let's do that. Okay, so now we'll click on the Calendly option, and then what we will do is we'll turn off this toggle that says show calendar after submission. So as soon as we turn this on, you can see that the required field is now gone because it does not make any sense, because now Calendly is not the part of your form, but it will load only after the user has filled up the form, and then the Calendly field will pop up. Now here you can see that there are two options saying map fields. So by default, Calendly iframe integration comes with an option wherein you can pass the name field and the email field to Calendly. So here you can select the name field, which is a full name, to be mapped, and then you can select the email field to be mapped with email. Now we'll go ahead and we will republish this form. We'll wait for a couple of seconds. And now we can see that the calendar is not coming up. So what I will do is I'll quickly fill up the details, and then I will submit. So now you can see that as soon as I've submitted, the Calendly pop-up has been enabled. And now let's say if I select this, next, you can see that my name and my email addresses are pre-filled. So I will schedule this event, and now I will go into the result tab, and you can see that as soon as we have the event booked, we have the Calendly link also, event link also coming up. So this way you can create a book a demo form, or like a form wherein you want to capture the user details first and then redirect them to Calendly. So that's it, guys. Thank you for joining us. This is our third week that I have been persistent with posting one video per day, and it's really very encouraging to see that all of you guys are seeing these videos and we are growing. Again, I will ask you to please like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what kind of forms are you looking to make, what are the difficulties you face when you are creating forms, so I can kind of get into this and solve each of your problem. So, and really, you don't need to be a MakeForms user. I will show, if you are a user, a normal user who just wants to create a form, I will tell you how to make that possible using MakeForms. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this episode. S- Please like, share, subscribe. Signing off. Bye bye. Pratik.